Hello everyone, in this lesson of Joshua's Guitar, today we're learning how to make your guitar sound like a pedal steel. So let's get to it. Okay, so today I have my Telecaster guitar, and what we're doing is we're using our volume knob today. So whatever guitar you grab, make sure the volume knob is close to your picking hand, to the bridge, so you can be able to use it while you're playing. Okay. So when I usually like to imitate a sound, I usually use my slide for the pedal steel, and I find it sounds better. Okay, but you don't have to use your slide. Okay, so you don't have to use your slide. But if you know how to play slide guitar, then definitely try it out. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is going to go like this. And what we're doing there is we're bending up, starting from 5th fret on the B string, so that one stays. 5th fret on the B string, and then bending on the G string, 4 to 6. Okay? And then in between there, it's in the key, it's over an A chord, so you could use your A major pentatonic scale. Okay, so now we're going to do that same lick with the slide, and we're going to be sliding, we're going to use our open B string, or sorry, open E string, and we're going to be sliding on the G string, 4 to 6. Okay, so now I'm going to show you to use this technique with chords now. It's basically just doing a volume swell. But I find this really works well with slide and chromatically as well. So maybe I play this over a Hawaiian tune perhaps, like slack key. Everyone, that's going to be it for the lesson today. Make sure to just give it a shot. Try it out. Try playing a scale with this. Just working on using your pinky on that volume knob there and getting used to that. And a little bit of tremolo to that. Okay, that's going to be it for this lesson, Joshua's Guitar. Make sure if you like this video, leave a like. Don't forget to share this video with everyone you know. And leave a comment. Tell me how useful this video was to you. Did you like it? Do you have any other tricks for me or for anyone else you'd like to share? And if you really enjoy the content here at Joshua's Guitar, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss any new videos I post. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.